A lot of people have been reaching out to me asking how I have the animated desktop background, and they were wondering how they can get it as well. Well, it's actually really simple. All you need is one program that we're gonna go over and show you how to use it and how to set it up. It's really simple. If you guys don't know, my name is Agent. I'm a Twitch partner with over 26,000 followers. I stream every single day except Sundays. Link down in the description below. Now, how do we set up a program to use animated desktop backgrounds? All we have to do is go to Steam and then download one program. We need to purchase it first. It is a paid program, so I will go over it right now and show you how to do it. So this is an example of one animated background that you can use. Personally, I've been loving this one lately. I switch it up every week or so because I get bored of the same one all the time, but it's really cool. You can customize it however you want. So we go to Steam, we go to the store, and all you have to search for is Wallpaper Engine. That's literally the only thing you need to search for. It is currently €4 on Steam. It is a paid program, as I mentioned at first. Again, this video is not sponsored at all. I'm just showing this because I've had a lot of people asking me about this. Nobody told me to make a video about it. Nobody paid me to do so. So again, just a little disclaimer. Wallpaper Engine, it was made in 2018. It is €4 on Steam. So all you have to do is just purchase it, and then you can go over here and run it. It is currently running for me as well, but I'm going to launch it one more time. So just go launch. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. It's going to open up the actual program right now, and then you can choose multiple backgrounds. Depending on how good your PC is, it might lag and it might stutter a little bit. So make sure to use this only if you have a decent PC, because it will use more CPU resources, obviously. But you don't have to worry about this program running and messing up your game FPS, because when you open a full screen application, the background actually goes static, like it doesn't move anymore. So it's just like a normal picture that you have regularly. So when you close out of the game, it goes back to being animated, so it doesn't use up extra resources for, well, obviously no reason. So over here, I have all these installed backgrounds. If I minimize this, if I change it to, for example, this one, you can see right here that it will go to this. It's really cool. You can change the speed, the volume. So some of them have the volume, like the song in the background. You can turn this off if you don't want it. You can change the playback rate. Usually, I don't really like the playback rate being at 100. It's a bit too fast. I put it around 60 or 50. And you can see the snow going slowly down. Really cool stuff. You can move the position. You can flip it. You can do whatever you want, play with it. But we're going to go over the Discover tab and the Workshop tab and how to actually find the ones you like. So in the Discover, you're going to see a bunch of different ones. Without any filters, just, new approved ones, great with specific programs. If we go to Workshop, this is the main one that I use. You can set up your filters. So over here, you can go ahead and set up whatever filters you want. If you want only animals, if you want only anime, girls, guys, whatever you want, set it up. Then you can choose your resolution as well. So over here, I personally use a 1440p monitor, so I'm looking for 1440p and above. If you have a 1080p monitor, you can choose that as well. Choose that, click, it's gonna automatically apply, and you can see a bunch of different wallpapers. For example, if I want this one, low CPU with music, it's 129 megabytes. I'm currently not really interested, but let's choose, for example, Aesthetic City. All you have to do is click subscribe. We click subscribe, we wait a second, and if we minimize, it's already playing. So you can see over here, it's a 2D picture with, the road and it's like a city, whatever. You can play with it. You can change your scheme color, your playback rate. Again, I like it being around 55-ish, something like that. Over here, it's really good. And yeah, you can set up however you want, play with it. You can make it obviously turn on with your Windows. So as soon as you open your PC or you turn on your PC, it's going to open the program and run it and set it up. So you don't have to manually go to the program and do it like that. Also, you have the displays over here, which shows your 2 monitors or 1 monitor, or whatever, however many monitors you have. Make sure to take show and start. That way it turns with Windows. And again, you can clone a single wallpaper to 2 monitors, or you can set up a wallpaper per display. If you have, I don't know, an ultra wide monitor on one and you have a 4K monitor on the other one, you can change 2 different backgrounds to set it up like that if you are interested in that. So again, this is a really simple program you can use. It's called Wallpaper Engine. Download it, set it up. It takes like no longer than 5 minutes, 10 minutes. And I personally have been using it for like a year now or even more, and I love it. It's really good. It's not like a boring static background that everyone uses. It's a nice little change, especially if you stream and you have a display capture. Your viewers are gonna be like, whoa, what is this? How do you set it up? So yeah. If you guys did like this video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any more questions, please let me know down in the description below. And as you already know, as I said, I do stream on Twitch every single day except Sundays. Link is down in the description below. I would love to see you there if you want to stop in and just say hello. Anyway, I will see you in the next video. Peace out and have a good one. Bye-bye.